Hi, I'm Victor Gazula, Senior Product Manager for Industrial Automation Services. Are your drives keeping up with today's demands? Our EcoFit solutions modernize your existing drive systems, boosting performance and efficiency without a complete overhaul. With EcoFit for drives, you can easily upgrade to the latest technology, benefiting from improved energy savings, reduced downtime, and increased reliability. The use longer approach to operational efficiency helps reduce your carbon footprints and extend the life of your equipment. By retrofitting your active components, you help save our planet's resources, while enhancing your application's performance. Join the many businesses that have transformed their operations with EcoFit for drives. It's time to drive your performance forward. Contact us today to learn how EcoFit for drives can revolutionize your business. Schneider Electric, where innovation meets sustainability.